Is Kundalini awakening dangerous? Well, yes. Especially for those millennials who are in a hurry and they are very impulsive and they want to know more about spirituality because they feel spirituality is the new hype, and especially opening of the third eye, which can be extremely dangerous. It can give you psychological and physical disorder. With every chakra that is opening, remember that you're cleansing your karmic debts, which you have installed from many births, so along with the superpower that you assume to be very godly and very divine, comes also your karma of the past births. Okay, and it might lead to sufferings, pain, and even blockages in your body. Remember, with Kundalini awakening, you are becoming a very powerful and a pure soul. And purity only comes when the karma balances and there is an even energy in the body, in the system, to an absolute void. If you have the Ida and the Pingla Nadi, you also have the Sushumna Nadi, which is extremely dangerous because when this channelizes the energy, the blockages of the chakras can open abruptly. So be careful with whatever you're practicing and do it under the surveillance of a proper guru and guidance, because Kundalini awakening is not about only your prarabdha and sanchit karma. It is not that you have done extremely some good karmas in your past birth and hence you're able to practice spirituality in this birth. It is not so. Reason, because along with the sadhanas that you might have done and have left incomplete, with that you might also carry the karmic debts of the previous birth. So if you are doing sadhana in this birth, it means you have been definitely guided to it. But at the same time, you also have to clear some of the debts from your previous to previous births. So Kundalini is just about not about one birth, but it's a amalgamation of many births together. So the point here is, when your Kundalini is getting awakened and if you're not ready for it, please stop whatever you're doing. Because along with self-realization and enlightenment, also that ladder that you climb, can lead to dangerous revelation of your potential, which your body might not be able to take. Because when, with a jerk, every energy that you have installed in your system through many, many births comes in front, you might get psychological disorder. Also, one very important point, the chakras needs to be cleansed. They need to be unblocked, because when the Kundalini is rising, if your nadi systems are not cleansed or they are not properly healed on time, there can happen blockages in the system, leading to a disbalance between your materialistic and your spiritual life. So this cleansing becomes very, very important. And if that is not happening and your Kundalini is awakening all of a sudden with a jerk, there can become blockages in some of your organs also. I recommend you go for a proper guru, take a proper diksha, and be under somebody personally to understand your spirituality and the spiritual potential that you have.